Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI, and it's the season of watering flowers. So if you want some tools to make your job easier, check out this 7-piece garden watering set by RESTMO. So you get 3 different hose attachments. You get a garden hose nozzle, 7 different patterns to this one. You also get a 16-inch hose wand, 7 different patterns to this one as well. Those patterns are shower, mist, full, cone, center, flat, and jet. And then lastly, the last attachment is a high pressure nozzle. But what is unique about this garden watering set from any other one that I have had is they give you these attachments that go on the end of each piece, and then you have an attachment that goes on the end of your hose. And what that enables you to do is quickly change out one different attachment from another. You can even do it when the water is running. There's a shut off to the water, so you don't have to worry about the pressure. And I love the convenience of that. Rather than having to unscrew each single piece and screw in a new one and undo the hose, just bam, and you can switch out to whatever adapter you need. These all are heavy duty and durable. All the handles are ergonomic, so they're comfortable to hold. I'm really happy with this set, and if you want some great tools to help with your watering this summer, I would definitely recommend this set by RESTMO. And that's my point of view.